Roll number 18, absent. 19. Roll number 19, management, also absent. So I think
सर 19 है.
बोल ही नहीं रहा तो मैं क्या करूं? तो
वो है
management
प्रेजेंट,
again,
मैंने देखा उसको.
14 to 20 is done. 19, go ahead. तो नहीं देना है वाइवा तो मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ बता.
राजवी.
अरे 19, Rajshri, management. Okay. I think some technical problems he must be facing. Tomorrow we'll see. We can't wait.
Okay, sir.
Now let us go to accounts. I think in accounts we have completed till 25, no?
25. 25.
Okay. So I think 20 to 24. मेरे हिसाब से 21, 22 is absent or are they present? चलो 20 to 24. Roll number 20, accounts. Present?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead, Priyanka.
1 second, sir. Sir, visible?
Yes. How many pages, Priyanka, it is?
Sir, 45.
Very nice. Close the book now. Can you tell me why we compute balance sheet ratios?
Sir, finding current assets and liabilities.
Okay. And what more? What are the balance sheet ratios? Which are the balance sheet ratio?
Sir, current liabilities, current ratio,
Then,
quick ratio,
then,
proprietors ratio,
okay.
and
Nice. Roll number 21.
debt equity ratio.
Okay, roll number
Sir.
21, accounts. 22,
सर नहीं है वो दोनों.
23.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
23.
बताइए assignment.
Time value and financial analysis. 7.
23 ने तो बहुत पढ़ाई करी है।
क्या सर?
कितने पेजेस है बता?
65.
क्या हाईएस्ट नंबर ऑफ पेजेस? कोई भी 5 रेशियो बता दे चल।
Balance sheet ratio, current ratio equals to current assets upon current liabilities. Quick ratio equals to quick assets upon quick liability. Proprietary ratio equals to proprietary fund upon total assets into 100. And debt equity ratio equals to borrowed funds upon proprietary funds. Borrowed funds upon proprietary funds. And gross profit ratio equals to gross profit upon net sales into 100. And that's
Very nice, very nice, very good. Now next, roll number 24 of accounts. Roll number 24 of accounts. Roll number 25 of accounts. Okay, so now I think roll number 19 is present of management. Go ahead, Rajshri.
यस सर. सॉरी सर, एक्चुअली नेटवर्क इशू हो गया था.
कोई नहीं, आप बताइए आपका असाइनमेंट।
एक्चुअली इंडेक्स सर एक्चुअली ज्यादा हो नहीं पाया. आई एम वर्किंग ऑन इट.
How many pages it is?
सर इट्स अराउंड 30.
Any 3 ratios? Close the book now. Okay, it is time value of money. Can you tell me what is NUT? Why we compute NUT value?
सॉरी सर, आई फॉरगॉट एक्चुअली.
See, when we talk about internal assignment and viva, viva also comprises marks. Please, students, keep it in mind.
सॉरी सर एक्चुअली.
Okay, now again we'll move to the management group. Management में कहाँ तक हो गया था अपना last time? 14 onwards is done, no? Yes.
हाँ सर.
11, 12 and 13. Roll number 11 of management. हेतल कल भी बोल देना वाइवा है जिनका बच गया है, नहीं आएंगे
हाँ
तो आई
सर.
कांट गिव देम मार्क्स. 12
ओके सर.
management. Roll number 12 from management.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Sir, I have written some theory of chapter first, and then I have started second chapter.
I Ayush, close the book now. Can you tell me the concept of annuity?
Hmm. So the annuity, as far as my understanding goes, annuity can be defined as the annual cost.
What is difference between future value and future value of annuity, or present value of annuity?
Sorry, sir, I can't hear you.
What is the difference between future value and future value of annuity, or present value of annuity? We did rigorous question
We
on
can
that.
say, sir, sorry, sir, I can't remember.
Okay. Roll number 13, management. Roll number 13, management.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead, Nidhi.
Hello. Yeah. So this is my index. Hello.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah. The first chapter, I've written the objectives because there were no sums. Second chapter, and then the third chapter, financial analysis.
Nice.
Yeah.
So I hope you have completed even ratios also.
Yes, sir. Even the third chapter.
Okay. So can you tell me why basically we compute all profitability ratio or balance sheet ratio, any of them? I mean P&L ratio or balance sheet ratio. Have you segregated them into three category or not?
By we compute.
Ratio, have you segregated in three categories or not?
Yes, sir. Revenue, balance, and operating.
Yeah. So tell me why basically we compute the balance sheet ratios. What is the logic behind?
So balance sheet is usually to see on paper what the profitability of the company on an average is. So it if it's earning, know, then more than the revenue or not, it will be a going concern anymore.
No.
Hello.
No. It's basically go and check. It is there
Hello.
given in the book to check their solvency, short-term solvency, immediate solvency, and long-term solvency. Next candidate from, so I think in management till from 11 we completed everyone. Only 10 student is left. In account,
Yes, sir.
Hello, sir. 11 roll number 11 is completed.
no, it was absent.
No, I am there, sir. I am since the last 1 hour. I am here only.
मैं कितनी बार बोला घर पे
अरे
आके
भगवान.
बोलूं? Go ahead.
Okay. Yeah, just hold on. Yes, sir. This is my index.
Bhavesh, next page, please. Bhavesh Thakkar.
Comes to time value. Yes, sir.
थोड़ा राइटिंग इम्प्रोवाइज कर भाई.
Sure, sir.
पीजी खत्म हो जाएगा अभी तेरा. How many pages it
Sure.
was, Bhavesh?
34 page, sir.
Okay. Till now, I have not got even the answer for annuity. Any clue why annuity has been computed?
Sorry, sir.
Annuity. I mean, what is the difference between future value and future value annuity, or present value or present value annuity?
Okay, sir. Basically, annuity is for example, suppose we have invested 10 lakhs rupees now, and for next 10 years we want 10,000 rupees per year at the rate of, for example, 10%. That is called the future value of the annuity. And present value of the annuity means, suppose I want 50,000 per annum in next 10 years. So how much I have to invest now to get that amount? That is called the present value of the annuity.
Okay, I mean, the explanation part, when there is a regularity in payment. So when there is a consistency of payment, whether outflow or inflow, then the concept of annuity will come. Suppose there
Okay.
is a difference between fixed deposit and recurring deposit. So fixed
Correct.
deposit is going to give you the future value, whereas recurring
Correct.
deposit is going to give you the future value of annuity, because you are
Correct.
not investing a single outflow, you are investing on a series of outflow. So every outflow is
Correct.
going to accumulate, and that will give you the returns when it going to matured after a certain period.
Correct, sir.
Okay. So only 10 student is left in management, and 15 student, if I'm not wrong, is left in accounts. 16 onwards we did or not? No, ये lot बाकी है.
सर बाकी है.
Yeah, 16 to 20 का lot बाकी है, if I'm not wrong. 21 onwards हमने लिया हुआ है. Am I right? मेरे हिसाब से 16 absent है क्या? Again, 16, roll number 16 of accounts. Yes. Roll number 17 of accounts.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
Yes, sir. So from your time value of money is, so it's visible.
Yes, it is visible.
From your ratios chapter is started. So you're ending
How many
the
pages
last
it
one.
was, Disha?
So nearly 30.
Okay. Now, can you tell me, what is the difference between balance sheet and combined ratio?
So in balance sheet, we find current assets, current liability, and our profit and loss account. Like at the end, what we have get in our hand. And in combined ratio, we find debtors turnover ratio, stock turnover ratio, creditors ratio, capital return on capital employed.
Okay. Roll number 18. Roll number 18 of accounts.
नहीं है
19.
सर.
Roll number 19 of accounts. Roll number 20 of accounts.
Sir, Priyanka, done. Can be again?
No, not required.
Okay, sir.
So 15 student of accounts and 10 student of management is left out, that we will consider tomorrow evening at 6 p.m.
Okay, sir. Okay. Okay.
And whosoever is left, kindly या तो 5 इसको भी खत्म ही कर डाले क्या?
सर कल कर दो ना प्लीज.
नहीं सर
चलो
प्लीज कर दो ना.
चलो 11 to 15 भी खत्म ही कर डालते हैं. 11 मेरे हिसाब से absent है. As many of them, they are absent. They might be present tomorrow. 12 of accounts, roll number 12. Roll number 12 of accounts.
है सर, है वो.
Go
ग्रीना
ahead.
म्यूट अनम्यूट.
Trina, you have to speak something.
Yes, sir. 12 number.
Yeah.
Done, sir. Sir, done. Forty-two pages, sir.
Okay. You tell me about P&L ratio.
A gross profit ratio. Gross profit upon net sales into 100. Operating ratio. Cost of sales plus operating ratio upon net sales into 100. And stock ratio, cost of sales upon average revenue.
Okay. Further,
Work in progress. Raw materials ratio, raw material consumed upon raw material stock. Net profit after ratio, that is net profit after ratio, net profit after tax upon net sales into 100. And net profit before tax equal to net profit before tax upon net sales into 100. Okay, sir.
Okay, no problem.
Hmm.
It was roll number 12, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Roll number 13,
हाँ सर मैं ही हूँ.
that's three. चलो बताओ assignment, Ethel, quickly.
हाँ सर एक ही मिनट. सर लैपटॉप से तो आपको एक्सेल दिखाऊंगी.
How many pages it
This
is?
is first chapter. Sir 37.
37.
Yes sir.
Now, can you tell me what is the difference between balance sheet ratio and P&L ratio? Hello? Hmm. Hello? Yeah, Ethel, go ahead.
Paul.
P&L and balance sheet. क्या difference होता है दोनों में? क्यों हम
सर
लोग
P&L
segregate?
में
Yeah, go
बैलेंस
ahead.
शीट में हम सब करंट एसेट्स एंड लायबिलिटीज के रेशियोज निकालते हैं और P&L में
P&L में न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर P&L से मिलता है, बैलेंस शीट में न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर बैलेंस शीट से मिलता है, कंबाइंड में एक P&L से मिलता है और एक बैलेंस शीट से मिलता है. नेक्स्ट, रोल नंबर 14.
ओके सॉरी सर.
रोल नंबर 14 प्रेजेंट है. रोल नंबर 15 प्रेजेंट है.
Yes, sir.
गो अहेड.
Yes, sir.
15 रोल नंबर है आपका.
Sir.
व्हाट्स योर रोल नंबर?
Roll number 14, sir.
14. आप 15 में आ रहे हो. 14.
Sir.
ओके बोलो, असाइनमेंट
Sir.
बताओ.
This is my index, sir. I have completed 3 hours. The first chapter objectives and second chapter timely money. So that's it.
Okay, any three balance sheet ratio.
The balance sheet ratio, current ratio equal to current asset of current liability, quick ratio, quick asset of quick liability, stock to working capital ratio, close stock from working capital into 100, proprietary ratio, equity ratio, proprietary and quantum asset into 100, debt equity ratio, after equity, sorry. So finish.
Roll number 15. Quickly, roll number 15 of accounts. Roll number 15. So those who were absent today, tomorrow will be the last chance. Okay, kindly intimate them tomorrow our session will start at 6:30 again. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Bye. Take care. Good night.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.